Well, look what we have here. It's the OnePlus 12R Genshin Impact Edition. I'm not a Genshin gamer, you're gonna have to excuse me, but this one is based on the character Kequing. How do you pronounce this? How do you pronounce this character's name? Ah, okay, so this is Kequing. Fancy. Ooh. You got your pin, the phone. What else? We've got a whole instruction on how to open this up, so hold on a second. Alright, this is going to be our, I'm guessing, a display case. I'm gonna see how to set this up later. A bunch of chibi, it's not pins, I think it's stickers. Lovely purple case. This is your pin ejector tool. Even that is themed after the character. A very cool angled charging cable, so you can keep gaming while charging your phone. Of course, the super fast charger is also themed. So we have a very cool phone holder. Of course, it's themed with a chibi Kequing, and go like this. A bit hard to set up. Careful you don't break it. Okay, well, we have it put together. Here's the awesome case. If you're wondering, there is nothing very special about the OnePlus 12R itself. It does come with a special theme based on the Genshin Impact game. As far as hardware and software, it's mostly the same. Now, I did ask the guys over at OnePlus if there's any difference, and they did say that there is some optimization done specifically for the Genshin Impact game. It is a slightly lower performance edition of the OnePlus 12. We've got 15 hours of web browsing with this battery, 13 hours of 3D gaming with the OnePlus 12R, 5000 score on Geekbench Multi, and 3D Mark 3700 at the highest, which is below the OnePlus 12, which hits 5000. But our experience with the OnePlus 12R is that it is a very snappy phone. It works great, and of course the OnePlus software helps with that because Oxygen OS is very snappy in itself. Alright, here's your interface. As I said, of course the theme is all purple, all Kequing, all Genshin Impact. We also have special ringtones and notification messages. I'm gonna try to pull those up for you right now.
We live in an era of change, as the old order that has existed for 1,000 years is about to be rewritten. Join me. Let us bear witness to this historical moment together.
That's a ringtone. I'm not sure if you want to be heard in public with this ringtone, but hey, who knows? And then we have the alarm one.
Morning. Time to set the tone for the rest of the day. So if you're still feeling sleepy, shake it off.
Interesting thing, the voice actress for Kequing
Let's finish this quickly.
I was talking here. That's the actual voice actress. She came in and recorded these lines specifically for OnePlus. These are not pulled from the game files or anything.
I'm all for work-life balance, but I think this is pushing it.
I
Come on,
agree.
enough procrastinating. Let's go. In
Those-
adventuring, as in business, you always have to seize the opportunity while it's there.
Yeah, okay, let's see the notification tones.
Let's finish this quickly. Something's come up. Something's come up. Something's come up. Something's come up.
No comment. So, okay, basically, there you go. This is the OnePlus 12R Genshin Impact Edition. Pretty cool phone if you like the color. It is quite fresh. I do enjoy some purple in my life. And of course, if you want to change the theme down the line, you can just go into your wallpapers and style, and there's your themes over here. You can go absolutely classic OnePlus, and there's the Kequing thingy. The always on the lock screen has this animation. The always on display is styled the same way. So, you know, if you're a fan, lovely. It costs about $150 more than a standard OnePlus 12R, which I think, if you really value the collectibles you get with this, it's not a bad deal. And if you're still wondering about performance, we're gonna have the OnePlus 12R review linked below, so you can check all of our benchmarks, our opinions, and some camera samples from the 12R. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. See ya!